So good morning students of class 6. Today we'll see that is exercise 4a, question number 15. The question is 1 by, we have to take, the question is that is from 1 by 2a minus b plus 1 by 3c minus, we have to take minus 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b minus 1 by 2c. So we will write in this way, that is 1 by 2a minus b plus 1 by 3c minus 1 by 3a plus 1 by 2b minus 1 by 2c. So first step is we have to remove the bracket. So when we remove the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will change, that is plus will be minus, minus will be plus. So when we remove the bracket, so now signs inside the bracket will change. Here it is plus, so it will be minus 1 by 3a. How we can change the sign? You know that is plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is plus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So simply whatever sign in the bracket, whenever minus sign is in front of the bracket, so when we remove the bracket, we simply change the signs of each and every digit. So plus will be changed to minus, plus will be changed to minus, and minus will be changed as plus. Now what we'll do, we'll do the groupings. We'll bring the like terms to one position, that is 1a minus 1 by 2a minus 1 by 3a. Like terms we will write at one place, minus b minus 1 by 2b plus 1 by 3c plus 1 by 2c cc. Now we'll subtract. So we'll take the LCM of 2 and 3, we get the LCM, that is 6. Now how we'll subtract? That is 2, the denominator of this number, we divide the denominator with 6. So when we divide 2 with the 6, we get the quotient as 3, that is 2 3 times you get 6, and 3 is multiplied with this number, that is upper number, the numerator, that is 3 into 1 is 3a. Similarly 3, we divide 3 by 6, that is 3 divided by 6 is 2, and this 2 will be multiplied with the numerator of the number. So here numerator is 1a, so 2 into 1a we get 2a, minus, now here it is nothing in that, then it is 1, so 1 and 2 LCM we get 2. Again 1 will divide 2 with 1, we get, the answer is 2. So 2 will be multiplied with the numerator, that is 2 into b is 2b. Here again we'll divide 2 by 2, that is 2 divided by 2 is 1. So and 1, the answer will be multiplied with the numerator, that is 1b. So b plus, again in the same way 3 and 2 we take the LCM, that is 6. So 3 divided by 6 we get 2, and 2 will be multiplied with the numerator, that is 2 into 1c, that is 2c. In the same way 2 3 times 6, and 3 into 1c 3c. So now we'll calculate, that is 3a minus 2a, we get a by 6, minus 2b minus b is 2b minus b is minus 2b minus b is minus 3b by 2 plus 2c plus 3c, we get 5c by 6. So this is the answer. In the same way we will do this, that is question number 20. First we will remove the bracket. After removing the bracket, the signs will change, that is plus will be changed as minus, minus will be changed as plus, again minus will change as plus. And second step we'll do the groupings. We'll bring the like terms together, that is x and x will come together, y will come together, and here 1 by 6 1 by plus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6, it will be cancelled. So again we'll take the LCM, we solve in that same way, and we get the answer, that is 5x plus 16. So thank you very much, students. I hope you have understood.